Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 23rd May 2024. In this video, let us analyze NIFTY with the help of supply demand zone chain. Today we have witnessed NIFTY reach to the new all-time high. And also we have seen a new daily demand zone is also created. That means we should look for high liquidity zones or any other fine-tuned zones from daily and below time frames. There are no changes in the weekly time frame. And also you should understand at present NIFTY reached all-time high. So in all the time frames, the trend is a bullish trend. So we should look for bullish trade setups. So even before we get into the analysis, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. All the training lessons are available at our NeoStock YouTube channel. At our channel, click on this community tab. You get access to this post. This post is having a YouTube playlist link that will take you to the training lessons. Just click on this link I am clicking. Now we are into supply demand zone price action course playlist. In this playlist we have all the videos. Just scroll down to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go through all these lessons one by one and strengthen our skills related to supply demand zone price action. I have also provided the link to our Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. Please join in the channel from the YouTube video description. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update, and also any other very important updates also we will provide in the channel. Now let's get into the NIFTY analysis. We have seen yesterday NIFTY picked up the orders. So this newly created 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone and then closed at this supply zone, 15-minute supply zone. And today prices came a little bit from here, but that is not good enough to give a good. And then it is violated. If anybody would have taken a trade here, probably your order would have been stopped out. And moreover, we discussed there is a possibility that yesterday this zone will be violated because it is already tested couple of times. And let me delete this. And with this daily high liquidity demand zone is also violated. So now we have only options are this daily demand zone, but only problem here is it doesn't have a proper fine-tuned zones inside this. There are higher chances that this zone will be violated. Because we know that if a zone is not having a fine-tuned, what is that? Inside daily 75, inside 75, 15, inside 15, 5 minutes. But it is having a 15 minutes high liquidity supply zone. So aggressive trades you can plan. Already we discussed about these aggressive trade setups in our training videos. And it is having a fine-tuned 5-minute zone is available. But unfortunately today what happened? The demand is so strong because market is super bullish today. Prices entered, but it is not good enough to push the market down because market is such a strong bullishness. But at the same time, this zone is also having a good order flow. Institutions already kept a good sell order flow in this area. So that is the reason why clearly you can observe a base has been formed here. When base will form? When there is a fight between the institutions, the bulls and bears. Because if this zone is not having a strong order flow, such kind of base would not have been created. So there was a fight. But because the bulls are very super strong today, slowly they consumed all the orders in this area and finally they created a legout candle and broke this entire zone. And if anybody would have gone for a short trades in this area today, definitely you would have stopped out. Probably you would have got a loss in this area. But we have to accept because there are times our analysis, we have to market move against our analysis. And these zones are violated. This weekly zone is also violated. They are no more valid. And finally, there are no more weekly zones and no supply in this Nifty chart. But you should have observed while when market, this is the candle, market reached the all-time high. When market reached the all-time high, generally what happened? A zone will be created. I hope you people might be aware of this strategy. In case if you are not aware, please listen carefully. When market is violated, at the time of violation, a demand zone will be created. This demand zone will be giving you a very good long trade opportunity. If supply, sometimes you know what, market will reach all-time high, supply is very strong. If there is any demand zone, this supply will be violated, this demand zone will be violated and market will be pushed down again. At the time, new institutions create new supplies. At the time, you need to take this stop loss. But otherwise, the market will give very good long trade opportunity. Today, you see, you got a long trade opportunity here. And moreover, market is bullish. You know the trend is your friend. You should plan your trades in favor of the trend. So those who have taken a long trade at 1 o'clock, 20 minutes, 5 minutes candle, see after that market has given nearly 190 points. That means close to 200 points move it has given till the peak. Definitely from these 200 points, some of the move you might have captured, at least maybe 150 points or 160 points. Definitely you would have captured here. This was the opportunity you got today. But I don't know how many of you make use of this. If you are having a good supply demand zone price action knowledge, and also you know that at all-time high when there are any breakouts, at the time of breakout, the zone will give an opportunity. If you are aware of this point. If you are not aware, please remember, whenever there are all-time high breakouts, at the time before the breakout, if there is any zone is created, and with this zone, the breakout takes place. See here, previously, where is the all-time high? Let me draw the horizontal line. This was the all-time high. And see the breakout, all-time high breakout. And this all-time high breakout took place with the help of this candle, rally-based rally. And the zone responsible for this breakout will give you a good opportunity. Because it is a 5-minute zone, you got intraday opportunity. Probably if this zone could have been a 15-minute zone, you would have got short-term opportunity, long opportunity. I mean short-term income trade opportunity. If it is a 75-minute zone, you would have got a weekly income trade opportunity. Or if it is a MIT zone, probably you would have got a MIT opportunity if it is a daily zone. This is the way you should understand. But immediately intraday, this is the 5-minute zone, immediate intraday trade opportunity it has given, and then see the move. Anyway, these strategies I will explain in detail during our advanced strategies. Currently the third phase of the training, whatever it is going on. In the coming months, probably you will be learning these concepts. But time being, remember, this all-time breakout has given a very good trade opportunity. Nearly 200 points move it has given you from here to till the high of this candle. Okay. Now let us draw the zones from here, from daily time frame onwards, because a new daily zone is created, and the previous analysis, whatever we did, let us keep the demand zone related analysis, that still holds. Anyway, this weekend we will do a detailed analysis. See here we have a rally, base rally. This is the demand zone, newly created demand zone. We have a leg out with high explosive. See the strength of the candle. Leg out with high explosive. So because today's market is such a super bullish. That's why complete supply has gone today. So 21.5 is our base leg candle, after that one base candle. This is the 21.5 and then base candle. So let me draw a zone here. This is the daily demand zone. Let me add the text. So here again you get an opportunity if the prices are coming here, or during this move if there are any high liquidity zones, probably you will get intraday long opportunities. At present there is no supply. This was the all-time high, previous all-time high. See, yesterday the move started from this 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone. See the yesterday's move from here, and today yesterday it was a base candle and today it is a high explosive rally candle. So what we do, let us change the time frame to 125 minutes. Any high liquidity zone is there, we will check in today. If it is a normal zone, we will leave it. We will focus on 75 minutes. See, high liquidity demand zone is created today at 21.5, 9:15, 5 base candles. I am changing the time frame to 125 minutes. When is the leg in? 21.5, 9:15. This is the one. This is the leg in candle. After that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means this entire daily demand zone is also 125 minutes high liquidity demand zone. So I am not going to draw again a separate zone. This is a daily demand zone, comma, 125 minutes high liquidity demand zone. So this is what? This entire same zone is also 125 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Okay, now let's move on to the 75 minutes zone. So I am going back, changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Let us generate the chain, and here also I am changing the time frame to 75 minutes. Here we have a rally, base rally is there. Here also we have a high liquidity demand zone is available in 75 minutes also. Actually, 2 demand zones are created today. One is the normal demand zone, when that is a 21, 11:45. Is it 11:45? 13, no, 13, 21, 13. This is the one. We have a drop. 6 base candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, then a rally candle. That means the same thing is also a 75 minutes demand zone, but normal 75 minutes demand zone. This is a daily demand zone, the same zone. This is also 125 minutes high liquidity demand zone and also 75 minutes demand zone. But here, again we have a rally, base rally. This is the high liquidity demand zone, 75 minutes demand zone. This is 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Excellent. Now 75 minutes time frame is completed. Now let's move on to 25 minutes. We will check any 25 minutes high liquidity zones are available. We have only one high liquidity 25 minutes demand zone is available. When it is available on 23rd file 11:20, one base candle. Changing the time frame to 25 minutes. 23rd file 11:20. So this is 23rd file 11:20. This is a leg-in. One base candle, 23rd file 12:10. So computer has considered, our software has considered, this is a 25 minutes. High liquidity demand zone. This 25 minutes high liquidity demand zone having 75 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Inside we should have a 5 minutes fine-tuned zone should be available. Otherwise this zone is valid, otherwise it will be violated. Okay, only one, this 25 minutes only one zone is created today. Now let's move on to see the trend in all these time frames are uptrends. Because when market reaches all-time high, in all the time frames the trend will be, because all the supplies will be violated. Once all the supplies are violated, the trend will be uptrend. Now 15 minutes time frame I am changing, I am generating the chain, also changing the time frame here also. So here we have a rally, base rally, 15 minute zone is there. We have one more rally, 3 base candles, rally is there. Let us check. How many demand zones are created? This is yesterday's zone, whatever it was created. Now it is already pierced, already yesterday itself it was pierced. So today this is the high liquidity zone created. When 23rd file 11:45, one base candle. 23rd 5, 23 5, 11:45. This is the one. Inside 25 minutes we have a 15 minute zone is also there. This is 15 minutes high liquidity demand zone. Now let us look into the 2 more demand zones are there. You please note down. You can draw them. Probably this is the one rally, 1, 2, 3, 4 by base candles rally. Again rally, 3 base candles rally. Is that the one? 13, 15. When is 13? Okay, probably this is the leg candle, 2 base candles rally. And this is rally, 3 base candles rally. So these 2 zones are normal zones only. But here we have a strong order flow available. Okay, now let's move on to the last time frame, 5 minutes. And here also I am changing the time frame to 5 minutes. Oh, 5 minute supply is created today. Very good. Interesting. That is okay. This is 5 minute supply. We have one high liquidity demand zone is created at 11:55, 5 base candles. 23:5, 11:55. This is the one. Rally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 base candles and a rally candle. Leg out is at 12:25. So 1225 is the leg out, the same thing. That means almost this 15-minute zone, this entire 15-minute zone is again a 5 minutes zone. This is a 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone. That means almost this entire 15-minute zone and 5-minute zones, they are same almost. In fact, 5-minute zone is slightly bigger than the 15-minute zone. We have a rally-based rally. Sixth one, 1225. No, yeah. This is the one we talked about. This is the one actually gave the trade opportunity. In case if you miss this, see, today it is a completely bullish trade setup. Again, they gave you a trade opportunity. Prices came near, almost close. Because in bullish trade setup, whenever we get long opportunities, we should not miss. Because a trend is our friend. This point you should not forget. So at this point of time, these zones are normal zones. Maybe in future we don't know. They may change. But at this point of time, they are the normal zones. Sometimes based on the price action at these zones, some of these zones again may change as a high liquidity zones. Anyway, I am deleting these zones because at present our focus is on high liquidity. So I am just kept those high liquidity zones. So at present market is in bullish trade setup, but here rally, 2 base candles drop created. Is that the way it created 3 base candles? 15.5. Because if you draw a zone like this leg out candle is almost closed inside the zone, almost. In the HLQ analysis video, today's HLQ analysis video, we already discussed. A leg out should not be inside the zone. That's why this entire thing software considered as a zone, and this is the leg out. This is the supply zone, normal supply zone. This might be violated easily. See, in trending market, what happens? All these supply zones they will help us prices to push into a nearest demand zones, which will give you trade opportunity. Now, moment we take a trade, this order flow will push the price, and then the supply zones will be violated. This is a 5 minutes supply zone. Supply zone. This is a normal supply zone. Please remember, this is not a high liquidity zone. That's why I didn't add the word HLQ. At present, this is the only one supply is available in NIFTY chart. And remaining all the time frames we didn't have. Who knows, tomorrow market may move another 100 points. Who knows, maybe 70 or 100 points move might be there. That possibility is there. If this bullishness continues, if not, institutions decide to create a new supply, probably tomorrow a new supply will be created and then they push the market. Anything will happen. Maybe tomorrow a base candle may be formed, because we have in daily time frame, we have a leg candle. They may form a base and then rally base rally, or maybe rally base drop. Anything will possible. We can't rule out. But until the trend changes in the 15 minutes time frame, we can go for the long trades, because we have to plan our trades in favor of the trend. Trend is our friend. If 5 minutes is your entry, 15 minutes is your ITF time frame, intermediate time frame. There you need to look for the trend. Your trend, you should not look into the 5 minutes time frame. You have to look into the 15 minutes time frame. As long as the 15 minutes demand zone is not violated, you can go for long trades whenever you get the opportunity. So at present, this Nifty chart is enabled with only long trades at present. Maybe based on tomorrow's price action or Monday's price action, we need to conclude our decisions. So this is the overall from the daily time frame. Forget about prices reaching up to this level may not be possible immediately. So at present, this demand zone plays the major role. See how beautifully institutions set up here. There is a 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone they set. This could be acting as a bear trap for this daily demand zone. First they set the trap, so much of order flow they added. And from here this daily demand zone is created. That means this 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone is the responsible for the creation of this entire zone. See, entire move started from here. Yesterday base candle is created and today a rally candle is created. And who is the responsible? 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone. When this zone is created, day before yesterday it was created. But yesterday in the analysis video, we have discussed about this zone. Otherwise, if I would have released a video on Tuesday, we all would have got this huge trade opportunity. Intraday traders yesterday, they would have got a good trade. And short-term traders who is holding the positions, you would have captured this move as well as this entire move today. Anyway, how beautifully institutions are creating the setups. This is what we need to understand. The 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone is the responsible for this entire daily demand zone creation. It picked up the orders from here, this entire zone will be created. Maybe in the future when this zone is, daily zone is violated, at the time this 5 minutes high liquidity demand zone will act as a trap and again push the market up. That possibility is there. And also see the EMA. Very soon it is going to get EMA confluence also, this daily demand zone. Okay, this is about the Nifty analysis, and my recommendations to you is look for a bullish trade setups until 15 minutes trend is changed to sideways or downtrend. Okay, hope this information will be useful to you. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.